Hi, and welcome to Mold Monday. This is Stephanie with Geek and Glasses, and today we're going to try a butterfly. I'm not really sure if this is supposed to be a plaque or a dish, but when we pour it out and we open it up, we'll see how it looks then. I felt this mold was a little deceiving in how much slip it was taking. There seemed to be a lot going in for such a small butterfly. And with all of that slip going in, you would think that something would come out when I did the pour out 25 minutes later.
Because nothing's coming out of them, Mike. This is a huge problem. Huge problem.
Since nothing came out when we did the pour out, I definitely left this one set 24 hours because I felt that this thing was going to be a gooey mess. But I gently released the edge of the butterfly on the back side, and I was able to get the mold to open. I could see around the edge of the butterfly how it had released itself from the mold, but I just couldn't get it to lift out. So we went over to the shop and used the air compressor to pop it out. The butterfly ended up popping out of the mold with no problems with the air compressor. It was in a leather hard state, so I feel that everything about this pour turned out well. But now, what is it? Is it a dish? Is it a plaque? I still don't know. What do you think the butterfly is? Drop your comments below and tune in next week for another Mold Monday with a Geek and Glasses.